We've talked about this before, right? Ryobi is made for the homeowner, right? I mean, let's face it. Not all Ryobi tools are meant for the job site. But every once in a while, Ryobi comes out with a tool that even rivals the best on the market. I've already brought a few to the channel. Now I'm bringing another one. That's right, this is the Ryobi 18-volt ONE Lithium-Ion Cordless AirStrike 23 gauge 1 3/8 Headless Pin Nailer. Boy, that's a lot to say. Yeah, it's the AirStrike technology and probably, believe it or not, some of the best damn nailers on the market today. Now, we actually did a review on this a year and a half ago, but how has it held up? Will it still get the Tool Review Zone stamp of approval? And how did this thing almost cost me my life? I'll show you here in a bit. This is the Ryobi 18-volt Pin Nailer. So what makes this nailer so damn good? Well, first off, it's small and lightweight. Doesn't hardly weigh anything. And it's also pretty compact. Usually Ryobi tools are a little bit bulkier, a little bit heavier, but not this. The pin nailers, the nailers in general, are pretty good size, pretty good weight. The build quality on these are also pretty good. You got a nice grip, a nice feel, that textured grip right here that allows you to hold on to it even if your hands are a little bit wet
or moist.
And it's also really simple to use. You just throw your pin nails right there and then close up the back like so. And if you want to add more, just flip down this here and pull it out, and well, you get the point. It also works on any Ryobi 18-volt ONE+ battery, so that's pretty nice. Now, this nailer has actually been used to remodel a couple kitchens already, but what's really nice about this is, check this out. This allows you to position your nailer perfectly every single time, which I'll show you here in a bit, but you don't have to worry about your nails being off center or anything. It is super, super cool. And you also got your onboard storage wrench right there. Now, you don't have a quick release on the nailer up on top to release any of those jam nails, but I will tell you, I've never had an issue with one. But if you do, just loosen them up, take it out. You also got that sweet, sweet LED light. It's real nice like. Yeah, so that'll allow you to see in darker areas. You can also put your belt clip on the left or the right if you want, or if you wanted to, you could just stand your nailer up like so and you're good to go. And yeah, you got your safety device right here. You just pull down that little lever and your trigger is ready to go. All right, so I got some molding that I'm gonna throw on this piece of 2x4. I'm gonna show you how this thing works. All right, yeah, so we got our molding right here. And as mentioned, if you want those pin nails to go exactly lined up, just adjust your stopper like so, push up, and you're good to go. And you'll see from here that the LED light comes on every time you pull that trigger. Now, if you notice, absolutely no rev up on this nailer. Those nails are nicely aligned and you don't even see them when they're in the wood. Really fastens that molding down and you won't even see those nails when the job is completed. You even get a rubber pad right there so you can protect the molding and the surface you were working with. Now, what I will tell you is, you do not have to push down on that. As soon as you pull that trigger, it will fire. Here is another angle to get those nails all lined up nice like. I love that stopper there. You can also go pretty quick if you wanted to. And looky, not one of them out of sync. Perfectly lined up. Does have sort of a strange sound though, however. It reminds me of one of those velociraptors. I mean, listen to it. I mean, could you imagine if those things were still around? I'd be calling one over here right now. What is that? Ah, damn it! Again with the damn dinosaurs trying to eat me on my channel. What are you staring at? Just leave me alone, dinosaurs. Luckily, I was too quick for them, but they're always trying to eat me. All right, back to this. So for $129, and if you're into remodeling, you get an excellent deal. I'll put a link in the description below for you to check this out, but that's not including the battery. However, it is a fantastic operating nailer. It's small, it's light, it's quick, and it's pretty inexpensive for what you get. You can drive 1/2 inch up to 1 3/8 pin nails. You can fire about 3,500 pin nails on a 4Ah battery. And just in case I forgot, the nails are 23 gauge. And again, I love that there's an edge guide, there's no rev up, nothing but 100% battery power operating this nailer. The only one downside I will say is there is no depth adjustment, but again, never had an issue with anything ever not sinking, even in the harder woods such as cherry, oak, walnut. So all around, great pin nailer from Ryobi, and not only that, probably one of the best ones out on the market, especially for the price. So a year and a half later, I'm like McDonald's. I'm loving it. But I want to know what you think. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Have you ever used this pin nailer? Are you planning on using this pin nailer? If you have, what do you think? I love hearing your feedback. If you like this video or if it helped you in any sort of way, it'd be greatly appreciated if you could smash that like button. I'll also put a couple more videos right here so you can check those out as well. And get subscribed, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos to the channel. As always, I appreciate you stopping by, and we'll be back with more videos soon.